Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking your Android version and backing up key files. This saves time if you need to revert. Once done, install a trusted ad blocker or a private DNS app from the Play Store and open it to begin setup. Next, make sure to disable unknown sources installs and only grant necessary permissions to the blocker. This prevents malicious apps from bypassing protections. Follow the app's quick start prompts so you can enable blocking immediately and confirm basic settings are active. Now you configure precise blocking rules so ads disappear across apps and browsers. First, choose system-wide blocking using the app's VPN or set a private DNS hostname and activate it. This intercepts ad domains globally. Then import or subscribe to curated filter lists, ad, tracker, and malware lists to cover common hosts. If an app malfunctions after blocking, exclude that app temporarily or toggle individual filters. This preserves functionality while keeping most ads blocked. Test several apps and browsers to confirm coverage and finish by rebooting your device and retesting the apps and websites where ads were most invasive. This ensures new DNS or VPN rules take effect. If ads persist, clear the blocker app's cache and data, update filter lists, or reinstall the app to fix corrupted settings. For stubborn cases, enable the blockers logging to identify specific ad domains, then add them to block lists. If something breaks, temporarily whitelist that app and revert the change after finding a safer filter. This keeps you ad-free without losing functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.